the lecture session on vector integration. Today I am going to discuss some of the problems as a tutorial. Find the area of the asteroid x is equals to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta by employing the Green's theorem. The asteroid is given by this diagram, astronomical diagram, where the points of intersection of the x-axis is a, 0, minus a, 0, and 0, minus a in the y-axis, and 0, a. Finding the area in the Green's theorem is double integration along r dx dy is half times of integral along c of x dy minus y dx. Total area of asteroid is a equals to 4 times area of any one quadrant. So that is given by 4 times of half of integral along c of x dy minus y dx. Given x is equals to a cos cube theta and y is equal to a sin cube theta. So dx is equal to 3a cos square theta into minus sin theta d theta, and dy is 3a sin square theta into cos theta d theta. So now a is given by twice of theta varying from 0 to pi by 2, a cos square theta into 3a sin square theta cos theta d theta minus a sin cube theta into minus 3a sin theta cos square theta d theta. So the a here is 2 times of integral 0 to pi by 2 3a square of cos power 4 theta into sin square theta plus sin power 4 theta into cos square theta d theta. That is 6a square integral 0 to pi by 2 sin square theta cos square theta into sin square plus cos square theta, where sin square plus cos square theta will become 1 and we will get it as sin square theta into cos square theta d theta. We know that by using the reduction formula, when integral is 0 to pi by 2 sin m theta cos n theta d theta, it is m minus 1 m minus 3 etc. into n minus 1 n minus 3 etc. into pi by 2 divided by m plus n minus 2 etc. if both m and n are even, and this is very much suitable here because m is also even and n is also even, both are equals to 2. So when we substitute in this 6a square times of 1 by 4 into pi by 2. So this on simplification we will be getting 3 pi a square by 8 square units. Next problem. Evaluate xy dx plus xy square dy by Stokes theorem, where c is the square in the xy plane with the vertices 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1 and 0, 1. So here we have from the Stokes theorem that integral along the c f dr is equal to double integral along s curl f dot n cap into ds. Given f dot dr is equal to xy dx plus xy square dy. This implies f is equal to xyi plus xy square j and dr is dxi plus dyj plus dzk. And curl f is given by ijk dou by dou x, dou by dou y, dou by dou z, and the components of f is respectively xy, xy square, 0. The diagram for this one is in the x-axis. It is the points of intersection is 1, 0 and minus 1, 0, and in the y-axis it is 0, 1 and then 0, minus 1. So the determinant will be I times of 0 minus 0 because dou by dou y of 0 is 0, dou by dou z of xy square is also 0, minus j times of dou by dou x of 0 is 0 and dou by dou z of xy is also 0. Next, k times of dou by dou x of xy square is y square and dou by dou y of xy is only x. So it is y square minus x into k. So a curl of f or del cross of f is given by y square minus x of k. So del cross f dot n cap into ds is given by y square minus x k dot dy dz I plus dz dx z j plus dx dy of k. So only the k component is there, therefore we will multiply the third term along with this. So we are getting y square minus x into dx into dy. So integral along the surface curl f dot dn cap ds is given by integral x is equals to minus 1 to plus 1, y is equals to minus 1 to plus 1, y square minus x into dy dx. That is x is equals to minus 1 to plus 1, y cube by 3 minus xy, where minus 1 to plus 1. With respect to x, y is replaced. So this on simplification, that is 1 by 3 minus x minus of minus 1 by 3 plus x. So on simplification we get 2 by 3 minus 2x into dx, and that is 2 by 3x minus 2x square by 2 integral from minus 1 to plus 1. That is on integration we are getting it. So we get 2 by 3 minus 1 minus 2 by 3 minus 1. That gives us on simplification 4 by 3, because minus 1 and plus 1 cancels. 2 by 3 plus 2 by 3 will be 4 by 3. Next problem, evaluate double integral or the surface integral of xi plus yj plus zk dot n cap ds, where S is the surface of the sphere, x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. From Gauss divergence theorem, we have double integral along S of f dot n cap ds is given by triple integral or the volume integral of df dot dv. Given f is equals to xi plus yj plus zk, so df is given by dou by dou x of I plus dou by dou y of j plus dou by dou z of k into dot with xi plus yj plus zk. That is given by 1 plus 1 plus 1, which is 3. And since it is a volume integral, it is equal to 3 into volume, where V is the volume of the sphere of radius a units, and it is represented by x square plus y square plus z square is equals to a square. That is, V is 4 pi a cube divided by 3. Therefore, f vector f dot n cap ds is equal to 3 into 4 pi a cube by 3. 3 and 3 cancels. We will be getting 4 pi a cube. This is the required volume. Next problem. Use Gauss divergence theorem to evaluate f dot n cap ds, where f is x square minus z square I plus 2xyj plus y square plus z square k, where S is the surface of the cube bounded by x equals to 0, x equals to 1, y equal to 0, y equal to 1, z equals to 0 and z equals to 1. From the Gauss divergence theorem, double integral along S f dot n cap ds is given by triple integral along V of dy. So given f is equal to x square minus y square I plus 2xyj plus y square plus z square k. Now the df is given by dou by dou xi plus dou by dou yj plus dou by dou zk dot of square minus y square I plus 2xyj plus y square plus z square k. This is a dot product, so dou by dou x of the I component plus dou by dou y of j component plus dou by dou z of k component. So dou by dou x of x square minus y square will be 2x, and dou by dou y of 2xy is also 2x. Dou by dou z of y square plus z square is 2z. So we will be getting 4x plus 2z, that is dou f. So this is given by f dot n cap ds is equal to x is equals to 0 to 1, y is 0 to 1, z also equals to 0 to 1. So 4x plus 2z of dz, dy and dx. So first let us integrate this with respect to z, then we get it as 4xz plus 2z squared by 2. On substitution of the limits 0 to 1, we get it as 4x plus 1 dy dx. And this is both 4x and 1 both are like constant when we integrate with respect to y. So 4x plus 1 into y is multiplied when we do it with respect to y. So it is 0 to 1, and we will be getting it as 4x plus 1 into dx, which are again integration with respect to x. 4x squared by 2 plus x, 0 to 1 is given by 2 plus 1 minus 0. That gives us 3 as the answer. Thank you.